lost my voice. I woke up and like my voice is gone. I don't sound like this if you're new here. Like this is me like sounding a little bit worse. I think I'm annoying in general, but like this time I sound worse. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup, like recreating a makeup look from James Charles that he did using his palette, the Morphe collaboration with James Charles. This isn't mine. Thanks to my friend Jordan. She actually like gave me the idea for this. She's let me borrow this stuff. Like, thank you. Like, so I do not have this palette. This is hers. Use code James for 10% off is on here. Oh my god. I just love that. Anyway, so this is the look I'm doing today. I'll insert a picture here. I need to like do my face makeup and everything first. Obviously I'm just recreating the eyeshadow look, so I'm gonna do my makeup real quick. I'll be back. Okay, so now my makeup's done and I filled in my brows, which I never do. I don't really like them filled in, but James has like nice, beautiful, thick eyebrows. So I was like, I have to do like thick eyebrows, just like James does. And also, I know I look orange. Foundation's just way too dark for me. This was my foundation in summer and I haven't bought any new ones, so I look orange, but we're focusing on the eyes today, guys. I'm not a makeup guru, like, sorry. I have no idea how to do this. So, do I start off with the stuff that's gonna be shown in the middle, like the purple, or do I start with like the yellow? Yeah, I don't even know like how to use different like brush, like I just don't know any of that, but Escape maybe? We're gonna try Escape. What brush do I use? I don't understand the different brushes with sizes either. The only reason I use different brushes when I do like my eyeshadow is so the colors don't mix. But I feel like there's a real technique I'm supposed to do. I don't know! So it's this very pretty purple color. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, that looks dark. What? How does he get it to look nice? Calm the freak down. This is probably the worst eyeshadow application. I just don't understand makeup, and also I'm screaming because my voice is gone. This is just a cringe. I really want this palette though, like honestly. Let's just wipe it off with my finger, honestly. No big deal. Got a little bit of a purple eye. It's okay. So now we're gonna do it for the next color, or the next one. I know he does like one eye at a time, but I'm doing both, so. No wait, should I do? No, I'm doing both. How do you apply eyeshadow like this? Okay, well it's lighter now. But there's like a big mountain on this one. We love that. Okay. But if the final look is okay, the process doesn't matter. And that's a fact. Okay, so I think once you're done with one brush, you're done with it basically, and you just gotta set it to the side and use a different one. I don't know. Okay, so the next one I wanna do is the shimmery, the pretty one, which would be the color Artistry. Looks like he's like, it's like painted on there. So would I use this spongy brush, right? I don't know. We're gonna use a spongy one now. So, you see? Yeah. So, this is exciting. Or do I do this at the end? No, heck with it. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Not my look, like, but the colors. Love. Love. I love that purple. Oh my god. The sparkle is so pretty. I look horrifying, but like, I feel like that's the process, you know? Maybe, hopefully. I really need to get foundation that matches my skin too. That's on the to-do list. I'm not trying to look like the peanut butter baby anymore. I think I'm gonna use You're Kidding next. I don't really know. I think that's what's happening in this. I really don't know. So, You're Kidding. I think all these colors are pretty, but this one's really standing out to me. Look at that. Get me out of there. I don't want me in it. I gotta let you focus on this. Like, look how much I picked up. I literally dipped it in there like a little bit. Focus! I'm not continuing the video until you focus on this brush. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. So we're just gonna go in. We're gonna dive in. How does one apply eyeshadow correctly? Look at this, I'm literally doing a rainbow. No, okay. I just want to know how you get it to blend. We're really gonna need to blend and work together, okay, colors? Okay, so the actual, like, don't look at this, okay guys, don't. But like, if you look at the actual thing, I think I need to go over it and add, like, go back to that purple color and like put some more purple right there. So where's that brush at? It's over here. And we're gonna dive back into the color Escape, which is the purple, the brush. And then we're just gonna go back around and just make sure, I act like I know what I'm doing first of all, but I don't. And we're gonna just make sure the purple, the red doesn't take out the purple prettiness. What? Oh my god, this is a big no. You gotta really dig into your crease, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys. Okay, I just turned it into a big mess. I swear I'm trying. I swear. I literally swear. It literally looks like I'm just gonna try to give myself a black eye, and I failed at that. Anyway, keep going, Gracie. Don't give up. Don't listen to the haters. I really want this palette for Christmas, but I feel like after this, nobody would want to buy it for me because, this might happen again. Whatever. I tried, okay? The shade, 518, which, oh my god, I'm excited for this. It's the brightest orange on the palette, obviously. It's like the only bright orange on the palette. So you can tell which one it is, this one. But anyway, I like this color a lot. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. Obviously, I'm gonna clean up this and this, take it like out completely. Because obviously your eyeshadow's supposed to go in your eyelid, not your nose. Dang, my eyebrows need done. I need to wax. I don't have a good technique, you know what I mean? I feel like there is technique, but I don't know it. So bear with me. I wish I had larger eyelids, you know what I mean? So I could actually make it look like a rainbow. I'm excited for this next part because it's the yellow and we get to use the color B. We're gonna use B, which is the yellow shade. I hope you can catch on to that. If this was like Gracie's style makeup look, I would, it looks like I'm using a lot, but the colors are just super like, they actually like pick up because it's like good, you know? It's not actual eyeshadow, I remember. I see what we're doing. Actually, maybe not. I ran out of SD card storage, but we're back. Being completely honest, I'm not hating this eye, but I need to get obviously cleaned up, and then I need to get all that junk out. You know what I mean? And I need to make the purple like flow better with the everything else. This is really freaking me out, so I'm gonna get that off. Yeah, that's fine. So this is what I got so far. Obviously we're not done because he has it under also the same look. So it looks like we gotta do this again. I realized with using purple eyeshadow, in the beginning, it literally looks like you get punched, but once you work with it, it starts to look cute. Y'all, give this video a thumbs up because this takes dedication. I don't claim to be a makeup artist, so you can't be like, Gracie sucks, because I don't deserve the hate. I look scary. I'm gonna stop looking at the camera. Okay. I'm sorry, James, I'm making your palette like look like this because obviously that's not my intention at all. I'm not like that one girl who just wants to make you look like your palette's crap, because it's pretty and these colors are magnificent, but I just don't know what I'm doing. Add some mascara because mascara will throw it together, hopefully. Yeah. My phone is just blowing up, guys. Not literally. Gets 2 notifications and then gets excited because I'm not popular. Highlight, which I know this isn't what I should be using, but I'm also using this. We're gonna just do something right here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, he's kind of flawless, and I look super masculine compared to him, which makes me really mad and jealous. So, you know, but it's okay. I'm not mad, I'm just jealous. Okay, I tried my hardest. I feel like I didn't do as bad as I thought I would because I like don't believe in myself. This palette is like absolutely stunning and I need it because once again it's not mine. So thank you, Jordan, for letting me borrow it. Thank you guys so much for letting me watch, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna take this makeup off before I break out because, well, just my skin. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh wait, follow me on Instagram too at TheGraceFarmer. Peace.